Hi everybody, Merry Christmas. I have a instructional tutorial for you today. Trying to fill an unmet need. I have this Golden Drop 5 liter here I got from Shenango Beverage out in the heartland of Pennsylvania. And I'd hate to just throw that can away. You know, the old cans, just no fancy top, carbonation, none of that. And people would modify them and reuse them, make their own carbonation, do whatever. So I figured I'll go online, probably some geeks out in California, programmer geeks, maybe some of them like some beer, and they would have a video of how to do that, what's inside, how to recharge it. But nothing was on there, so figure if you want something done, sometimes you gotta do it yourself. Fortunately, we walked over here, I found out early on that 2 legs are always better than 1, so I've got another extra here, so we can destroy one if need be. Hopefully it won't come to that. But maybe pause in a moment, I'll try to tear it down and hopefully show you what's inside. Looks like we got something here. A CO2 cartridge, something we might be able to work with here, if we can get out the mechanism here. Looks like you pull the spout out, toggle this cam, looks like maybe it actuates the cylinder, and then dispense with this. Alright, yeah, these CO2 cartridges, I know they're like the paintball things you can use to charge a little mini keg or something like that. Hopefully we'll be able to do something with that. Maybe, I'm not sure the sizes, 16, 20, 24, I think they come in. Anyway, let's look at the can, just in case I'm trying to do something with that. Plain steel, stainless steel, I really don't know. You check it with a magnet. For example, 300 series steel, it's got a lot of nickel, not magnetic. This could be 400 series, have slight magnetism. I don't know, I'm not an expert, so that's somewhere in the middle. Might have some coating on it. On the inside, it may not last forever if it is just plain steel. You might want to consider that. Anyway, take a look at the size here of the outlet, 0.97, about an inch, but not quite, so maybe that's 25 millimeters, could be metric. You know, Drock's a quality beer, but they may still use metric, I don't know, they haven't come to the English units yet. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, get yourself some Drock and enjoy the holidays.